When I was in prison, how did I feel? I didn't feel anything. I thought now I'm going to stay here for a longer period of time, but Allah Ta'ala made a plan in such a way that after 10, 11 days I was freed from the jail. So anyway, there was no fear in my mind. I was not embarrassed, I was not scared. So I spent my 10 days there. So I cannot say that I was thinking that I am passing through a hard period or enduring some hardships. No, I didn't feel that. Okay? So because I didn't do anything wrong, I was imprisoned for the sake of Allah. So I should happily face that, and that is what I felt. And I was determined that I will remain here for even if it is 20 years, it doesn't matter.
Jazakallah.